creators, so a lot of you do not know that there's a particular way for you to create your YouTube channel and optimize it for you to be able to get the best results the moment you start posting your videos. Some of you actually just went ahead to upload a video immediately after you created your channel without optimizing it, and you expect to get the best results. So if you're ready to kickstart your YouTube journey, don't create your YouTube channel without watching this particular video till the end. And if you've already created your channel or you've already started posting on the channel, don't worry, just make sure you watch this video till the end to be sure that you did the right thing. So without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Now, before you go ahead to create that YouTube channel, ensure that you have already filmed about 3 to 5 videos that you are going to post on that channel you are about to create. One of the mistakes I made on this particular channel is that I didn't start posting immediately I created the channel. Like, I created a channel and then left it and came back about 2 years after I created it. Who does that? And then when I started posting videos on the channel, it looked like YouTube and the algorithm had forgotten that this channel actually existed. So it didn't get the push that a newly activated channel would actually get. And that's one of the reasons why you have to already film about 3 to 5 videos so that immediately you create that channel. Like, you created that channel now, you should post that your first video now. After you have posted that first video, that same day you created your YouTube channel, schedule the remaining videos to be posted on your channel in that same week. And one tip that a lot of YouTubers don't know, especially new creators, is the fact that you should try to post 3 videos in your first week as a YouTuber. And by doing that, you are actually sending the right signal to the algorithm, telling YouTube that, oh, I am here to be serious, I am here to be consistent. And that's because YouTube loves consistency. They love people who are ready to make their platform very, very active. And by posting immediately, you are sending a positive sign to the algorithm that you are here to make the platform as active as possible. I'm telling you guys this because I am speaking from experience. I have worked on a few channels, my channel, about 2 of them, and I can tell you, comparing my old channel to my most recent YouTube channel, I can tell you guys that we are not capping. So the first thing you need to create your new YouTube channel is a Google account, obviously. One thing I always advise people to do is that they should open a new Google account. Why? Because you want the name on your Google account and the name of your YouTube channel to be in sync with each other, especially because you may need to start working with brands later. So you want those 2 things to look as professional as possible. That means if the name of your YouTube channel is going to be Soft Money Girl, then your Gmail or your Google account should be softmoneygirl@gmail.com or something related to that. Do you understand? That way, your YouTube channel and your Gmail are in sync. They look professional because they are both carrying almost the same name. So it will be professional to brands who would like to work with you in the future. Now let's create our Google account for a new YouTube channel. Now this channel is currently on 30 subscribers as at the time I am doing this voiceover. As you can see on your screen, we already have 5,600 views, 157 likes, 12 comments and 10 shares. The analytics you are currently seeing on your screen is the one for the channel we are about to create in this video. After creating it, I went ahead to build this channel because I needed to show you guys proof. So whatever it is you are doing, take this video seriously. The first thing we need to do is to go into our YouTube app. After opening the app, you tap on where the arrow is pointing to. Then you go ahead to click on Google Accounts. Next is to tap on Add Account and go ahead to create our Gmail. Now remember, you need to think about it clearly before you go ahead and do this. So when you tap on Create Account, you see options for my personal use or for work or my business. You tap on whichever option you like. You can create for your personal use or create for your work and your personal business. So here, obviously, you input your first name. I'm using Payme because that's my name or that's the name I want to use. Then you go ahead and input your surname. Then you tap on Next. So Payme Pampered is the name that I'm using in this Google account. Go ahead and input your date of birth, the correct year. So I use my date of birth, 26th of November. Then when you are done with the date of birth, go ahead and input your gender. feel free. If you're a she-male, put it there, you are others or whatever it is. Please guys, I hope you are taking notes because all these things are super duper important. In fact, this segment is even very simple because I believe you can create a Google account as easily as possible. I just needed to do this with you guys. So Google is going to suggest a few emails for you. If you like any of them, pick them. If you don't like any of the ones suggested, then go ahead and create your own Gmail address. If it's still available, they'll give it to you. If somebody else have taken that Gmail address that you want to use, they won't give it to you. So for me, I picked Pampered Payment. The next thing to do now is to create your password. Please, as you are creating your password, make sure you screenshot it, because anything that makes you to forget that password and you don't have two-factor authentication on your Google account, then that account is gone and gone for life. Which means if you lost your Google account and you cannot access it, you will not be able to access your YouTube account. You will not be able to access your YouTube account. So please, whatever it is you are doing, do not lose your Google account. Now we are currently at the phase where Google will verify your phone number. So you are going to insert a phone number and they are going to send you a message. Now you go ahead and we have successfully created a Google account. Just tap on I agree and voila, we now have a Google account that we are going to use in creating our new YouTube account. Guys, now this is the point where you need to follow put and listen attentively. So now the next thing we'll do is create a channel under where you are seeing Pay Me Pampered. So you tap on create a channel and you're going to see options. You already have a name, so you edit the name to whatever it is you want to do. So I am using Pampered by the King because that is what I want to use. When you change your YouTube channel name, automatically the channel handle is going to change. So you go ahead and tap on where you saw photos. It is very important that you upload a picture. Please don't leave your channel like that without uploading any picture. Very, very important. So go ahead and tap on create a channel, or create channel rather. And this is it, guys. Successfully, congratulations, you have finally created your YouTube channel. Now go ahead and tap on more about this channel. Your channel is super empty. Please, for everything, don't leave this channel like that. Go ahead and put a description. Now for description, in case you don't know how to draft a description, you go to ChatGPT to the rescue. ChatGPT is going to help you script your description. All you need to do is tell ChatGPT, oh, I just created my YouTube channel, my name is this is what I want the channel to be about, and just tell ChatGPT to script or draft a well-detailed description for your channel, and it's going to do it. In case you don't know what to tell ChatGPT, take a look at what I am typing on the screen. I just created a YouTube channel named Pampered by the King. Kindly draft a short and well-detailed description for my YouTube channel. Copy this and go and paste it on your ChatGPT on your Google Chrome. Tell ChatGPT that this is what you want it to do and it is going to do it. Just copy and paste and then put in your own channel name. Don't go and use my channel name. Put in your channel name and you're going to get a description from ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT drafts a description for you, go ahead and copy it, then paste it on your channel. Do the edits that needs to be done. Don't just copy and paste and leave it like that. Edit it, add your own unique touch to it, and there you go. You are doing a great job and your channel is almost 100% ready for action. Now, the final thing you need to do to set up your channel before you start uploading is to create a banner. You see where that red arrow is pointing at? Don't leave it like that. Go to Canva and create a banner for your channel. Now let me show you how to. So you tap on that stuff and it's going to show you take a picture or choose a picture. Go to Canva and create first. I know some of you will be like, oh, Canva is hard, Canva is hard. Canva is very easy to use. Just go to Canva. When you open Canva, tap on that search box and type YouTube banner. That is all you need, and a lot of designs are going to come out once you type YouTube banner. So just take a look at this YouTube banner and see all the designs coming out. You don't even need to create this from scratch. You don't need it at all. Once you see all these designs, just go through it and look for the one that suits your aesthetic, the one that you really like and you would really love to use for your channel. Some of these banners are pro, which means you need to pay for them, while most of them are very free, like completely free. You don't need to pay a dime.
just go ahead, pick the one you want. So I picked the first one, and then you just edit your details, your channel details into the banner. So on the banner in Canva, I'm going to tap on the picture and replace it with my own picture. So instead of me to create this banner afresh from the start, I just pick a banner, tap on the picture, replace it with my own beautiful picture, tap on the right top and change the name. Use your own name, whatever name it is you are using for your channel. That is what you should put on the banner. Then, just edit the things that needs to be edited. When you are done, save it as an image. Then you go back to YouTube and upload the image you just saved now as your banner. Voila, that is it. Your channel is 100% ready now, for let's action. Take a quick look at our newly created channel. You go to the description, checked. You see, your description is checked, your channel picture is checked, your banner is checked. Now let's move further into the video proper.
Now that we have successfully created our Google account and our new YouTube channel, let me tell you something that you are going to come back here and thank me for, that I am very sure of. For your very first video on your new YouTube channel, make sure you post a long video. And when I say post a long video, I'm talking about videos like 30 minutes. If you can post a 1 hour video, then that's better for you. Do you know why? That's because YouTube likes to push the very first video that a new creator posts. So imagine you are posting a 1 hour video as your first video on YouTube, and then people are watching like 30 minutes or people are watching like 20 minutes. Do you know what that means? YouTube always pushes a new channel's first video to a large audience. That means your video is going to reach a large amount of audience. Why? Because you are just starting out and they are helping you to gain ground. So if a reasonable amount of people watches your first video, it's going to help your channel in a positive way. And if that first video is a long one, you're about to hit a jackpot in the shortest possible time. That is why I advise people to post long form videos as their very first video on YouTube. So guys, in my coming video, I'm going to show you how to set up your channel step by step. Why? Because there's a lot of settings to do on your channel and I'm going to help you with that. Now remember that you don't need the most expensive equipment to get started. Make sure you like and share this video and tell me in the comment section what is holding you back from starting your YouTube channel. I'm here to help you. Also, I am giving small YouTubers visibility on my channel. Who knows, you may just come on here and see your channel on my next video. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more YouTube growth and finance tips, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.